Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. After the huge uprun on GBP JPY, you can see that market was consolidating, but right now you can see that the consolidation is over, and right now market is trading in a downward channel here. So maybe we had a huge uprun on GBP JPY, but if I just ask you what is the present trend of the market here, then you can clearly see that right now market is under the influence of sellers, or in simple words, market is in downtrend right now. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So in this market, we should mainly look for selling opportunities, and selling opportunities means short the market at the resistance. Yes, so our second duty is to find out the resistance in the market so that we get the best price to take a sell position. So you can see that I have drawn two lines here on the chart here. So first of all, the line at the top is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, this trend line. Okay, this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market, whereas the trend line at the bottom is acting as a dynamic support for the market. But what is the trend? Downtrend. So where is the safest trading opportunity? At the resistance. Therefore, the safest trading opportunity is shorting the market at the resistance. So if market tries to recover, yes, listen to me carefully. Okay, so if market tries to recover, goes up from here, then the safest shorting or selling opportunity will be available at this trend line. So if you find market going below or reversing from this particular trend line here, you can take a sell position, and that is your first trading opportunity and the safest trading opportunity on the chart of GBP JPY. Clear? So but right now you can see that the current market price is far away from the trend line here, and you can see that I have also drawn a box here. Okay, and this box is the support zone for the market. If I zoom out the chart here, then you can see that previously this level was the resistance for the market. Okay, listen to me carefully, things are again about to get complicated. Okay. So previously you can see that this level was acting as a acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, and as we all know, resistances become support and support becomes resistances in the market. So as a result, there is a possibility that this level will be trying to act as a support for the market, the 153.50 to 152.50. This whole level will now be trying to act as a support for the market. You can also see that market was falling sharply. Okay, listen to me carefully and try to understand the things here. Market was falling sharply, but once market reaches the support zone here, you can see that the support the selling pressure reduced, the size of the candle reduced. So it clearly signifies that yes, this level is trying to provide some support to the market. Yes, it may not be the strongest support in the market, but yes, it is trying to provide some support to the market as well. So therefore, on Monday, if market tries to recover and goes up from here, then there is a good possibility that we will get a good buying position above 153.50 level, above this level. So because see, this level is trying to act as support to the market, and as market is trading in a downward channel here, okay, so obviously at one point of the market will be trying to go up. So we may get a buying position at 153.50 level if market goes up and trade above it. Okay, beginners, if you're finding it difficult to understand, you can avoid and just wait for GBP JPY to go up and reverse from this trend line, and you can take a sell position. Okay, and on the other hand, in case you see some heavy selling or fresh selling on GBP JPY below 152.50 level, okay, then also you can initiate a sell position, because we will understand that there is a fresh selling on the market. New section of sellers have joined, and they are just selling, and selling. So in this case also you can take a sell position. Okay, so we have got three trading opportunities, or I just see three trading opportunities on GBP JPY chart. If market goes up and reverses from the trend line, we can take a sell position. If market tries to recover and starts trading above 153.50 level, that is our second trading opportunity. Okay, beginners can avoid. On the other hand, if market breaks below the 152.50 level, we can take a sell position, because that will be a completely fresh selling on the market. So these are the three trading opportunities that I see. Whatever, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Max to max you can risk 5%, because see, for my wrong analysis, you should not be losing your whole capital. Okay, and risk management is extremely important, so please follow it. And my dear friends, thank you so much. See you on Monday again. And yes, I have recently launched a signal service. If you want to know more about the signal service, go to my website abhilashhazarika.com. Under the pro trader section, you will see what is the signal service and what are the benefits of joining this service, because this is not a simple signal service. I also provide many things. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.